Hello, myself Karthikeya Khandwal and I am here with my team to present a modified version of the chapter Mother's Day. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the life of Annie Pearson. So let's see what is happening in her life.
She is Annie Pearson.
And she is her daughter Doris Pearson. He is her husband George Pearson.
मत कर माया को अहंकार मत कर काया को अभिमान काया कार से काची
And he is her son Cyril Pearson.
ओस रामोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग
Will the things will always be the same? Will she be treated like a mother? Will she get any respect? Or will there be a change? If yes, then who will bring the change?
The time will change the things. As we know that time has a bad habit of changing things. Time used to change things, time will change things, and then also time changed the things. When one day Mrs. Fitzgerald, a close friend of Annie Pearson and also a magician, got to know what was happening in Annie's life. Let's see how she reacted and what she did.
I am glad to see you doing all these magic tricks. From where have you learned them?
I have learned these magic tricks when I was with my husband. I found a saint in the eastern caves and there he told me some spells.
Nice.
Yeah, but what about your family?
I will not drink tea today.
These things are happening in your life and you don't even tell me once. Did you ever try to do something?
No.
You know what? Your family is not a problem. The main problem is with you. If you will not change your behavior, you could never become the boss of the house.
No, I don't want to be the boss.
Then what the hell you want?
I just want my family to be happy.
Then why don't you wear a Joker mask and have a boogie boogie dance in front of them? I bet they will be extreme happy in that.
Sorry, friends. I couldn't hurt my family. Oh, it's too late. I have to prepare tea for them.
Oh, don't forget about bread and biscuit.
Thank you for telling me. I was about to forget that.
Really? Tell me for the last time if you speak to your family or not.
I can't even say you yes. Do you have any other idea?
What if for a while you be me and I be you?
Is it possible?
Everything is possible in love and war. You just close your eyes.
And the spirit of yours is the soul of mine. And the soul of mine is the spirit of yours. I am the master of the eastern caves. Possesses the power of the eastern lords to change the soul of you both.
It worked.
I think they might be coming. You should leave.
Please take care. Bye.
A few moments later.
Mom, you have to iron my yellow dress. I must wear it tonight. And what the hell are you doing?
Can't you just see?
I could, but you doesn't used to drink.
Maybe it's not your cup of tea.
Then where is my cup of tea?
In your dreams.
What do you mean? You are not going to prepare a cup of tea for me?
I'm not even going to iron your dress. And by the way, where are you going tonight?
Out with Charlie's friend.
I should say you have the worst choice.
Don't say like that. He's cute.
Dogs are also very cute, but we don't make them our boyfriends.
Daddy.
Oh my good Turulap.
A few moments later.
Balu lagudu banuliye teru matu matu ye dono ye balu lagudu. Balu lagudu banuliye teru matu matu ye dono ye balu lagudu. Ye dono etere he dono petere hare kono pare kono. Balu lagudu balu lagudu.
A few moments later.
Mama, where's my tea? You know na, I need tea just after I reach home.
Come here.
Mama. Mama, you have drunk?
Come closer and check.
Mama, why did you slap me twice?
Do you really want me to make it twice?
Daddy!
A few moments later.
Where?
I have said that before.
I will not allow him to enter my house.
But why?
Because animals are not allowed in my house.
Why do you hate him a lot?
Dear, I don't hate him. I hate his face, his behavior, his family. Yeah, I hate him.
Daddy.
So cute.
A few moments later.
I will not drink tea today.
Nor I'm making.
Have you drunk?
Can't you see?
Annie, I can't believe that you are drinking. And that too a branded one. Do you have any idea how the hell is its cost?
A far less than that you waste in clubs.
I am most respectable person in the club. Do you understand?
Dear, don't you know your nickname in that club? You could ask Siren regarding that.
Cyril? Cyril? What's my nickname in club? What is my nickname in the club? Tell me. I am asking something. What's my name? Tell me. I mean what? What the hell do you mean?
Pompey Pearson.
What?
A few moments later.
What's the matter now?
Vince, I said, make the things like before.
I can't do anything now for you. Close your eyes.
For the last time in the history of humans, I, the keeper of Eastern Caves, reverses my magic, and along with that, gives the happiness to your family.
What's your plan now?
Now I have understood my mistakes.
The things will not repeat again.
I'm sorry.
playing cards. Let's play Rummy.
I don't like Rummy.
I don't like Lulu.
Who is he?
That's my card.
I hope that you will appreciate it. So just go like, share and subscribe, and do comment whatever character you like the most, and what things we could improve more in our videos. So just comment it and keep watching the videos.